Good morning. Ito lang naman pala yung view namin sa labas. There's a lake over there. Ay, dito. Pero paalis na kami. So, hindi natin may enjoy yung view. But that's okay. Meron naman tayong Bangkok adventure. Bangkok. Here we go. Business here in Bangkok is lunchtime and we are in Central World. I don't know if it's a mall, but here we are in a food court and dito electronic lahat. So you have to buy a cash card, load it, and this is what you're gonna use to pay your food and drinks. So got this Thai milk. First lunch here in Bangkok.
오랜만이야 10년이면 강산도 변한다던데 넌 말이야 얼마나 많이 변했을까 궁금
We are in Bayoki Hotel, Bangkok. This will be our room for the next coming days, for about 3 days yata. And we still don't know if we're gonna transfer after that, but this will be a room for 3 nights. Good evening! It's time check. It's almost 7 p.m. and andito kami ni Jessica sa Bayoki. At anong gagawin natin? Bayoki. Anong gagawin natin ngayon? Let's do mag-night market kami. Magsha-shopping kami dito. Parang Divisoria lang gano'n. Papunta tayo doon. Tingin ka doon muna. Ayun, Jess. Dito gusto ko to, Jess.
They don't talk anymore again, you know.
Morning mga chigo. I'm having breakfast here in Skybox. Correct me if I'm wrong, it's Skybox. It's in Bayoki Hotel. Bayoki Sky Hotel. It's in the 81st floor. Yan guys. It's very, very, very high. But it has a magnificent view. Ganda dito mga chigo. For yung mga mahilig naman sa mga IG, IG work place. price. The breakfast here is around 330 baht, 330 to 400 Thai baht. And you get to have a lot of choices for the breakfast. If you want to eat Italian price. So yeah, I'm having my breakfast. We are in MBK Center right now. Para siyang Green Hills. Pa-change muna kami. Mas maganda yung rate nila dito kasi ano, yung $100 yung currency na 100, yung exchange nila dito is 34.65. Yung amin, dun sa Philippines, nagpa-change kami ng 100, yung 1,000, ayun pala, yung $1,000 namin, dun sa Philippines is 28,000 more or less, 28,000 plus. Tapos dito kasi yung exchange na for $100 is 34.65. So, if magpapa-change kayo ng 1,000 dito, is going to be 34,650. Ang laki ng difference. So, tip ko sa inyo mga chinggo, pag pupunta kayo, magpapa-change kayo ng kahit konti lang na Thai baht sa Pilipinas just to use pagdating nyo dito. But don't change yung malaking amount kasi mas maganda yung rate kung dito kayo magpapa-change. So I bought a Celine hat. I bought this one and then the black one. I got this for like 350 baht and the other one is 300. Sulit na rin siya. Okay naman yung quality niya. I also bought a watch. Parang yun lang yung nabili ko dito. Mas madami nabili yung partner ko tsaka yung kaibigan niya. Ako, hats lang nabili ko yata. Tsaka yeah, hats. Oh yeah, we bought a parang couple watch na Cartier. Tapos yun lang. Pero doon na ako babawi sa Chatuchak mamayang gabi. Tsaka doon sa Icon Siam Mall. Are in Platinum Fashion Mall right now kasi magka-shopping kami ni Jessica. Ayan. Meron na kami nabili. Pupunta pa talaga kami doon. We are now currently riding a tuk-tuk. If you're here in Thailand, you should definitely try to ride a tuk-tuk. Yan. Ha, diba? Pauwi na kasi kami and sobrang pagod namin sa shopping namin ni Jessica. Kaya hindi na namin kayanin maglakad. So, we decided to ride a tuk-tuk. Ayun yung mga pinamili namin. Ayan. Dami lang, di ba? So, yan. Total naman ng binili ko is about around
5,000 plus. Or in peso, it's around 8,000. 8,000 plus pesos. Not bad. Ang dami ko nang nabili. Nakabili ako ng 3 shoes. Tapos damit. 2 pants. Yan. So, sulit na siya. Napaka-sulit na talaga. Yung quality niya, ang ganda-ganda. Kamusta naman yung, ano mo, Jess? Experience mo sa tuktok? Ano?
Masaya naman.
Masaya naman. Parang hindi masaya eh.
Kaya tayo naka-aircon. O, diba? Lamig.
Ah, malamig.
Mahal lang.
Isipin mo malamig siya. Yan.
Yun lang.
Well, yun lang talaga yung pinaka ano dito sa Bangkok is the weather is very humid. Mainit talaga siya. So if you're coming here, you better wear something thin tsaka comfortable. Or if not, might as well, ang gawin nyo, wag na kayo magdala ng damit, underwears na lang, tapos dito na kayo mamili. 'Di ba? Ayan, may picture dito. O, 'di ba? Lapit lang namin. Tinamad lang talaga kaming maglakad. Well, we're really very happy. And for the next coming days, hindi na ako magsha-shopping. Tingnan natin kung hindi na talaga ako magsha-shopping.
Indra, ito.
Saan?
Yung sinasabi ni Indra.
Bra?
Indra. Indra mo.
Indra mo. Akala ko bra.
Ito rin dyan. Check.
Ah,